Are you looking for a new way to reach your ideal audience? Would you like to market, promote, and produce your book all at the same time? Then I'm going to share how the live streaming platform Twitch is your solution. Stay tuned. Welcome to Self-Publishing with Dale, where you'll learn tips and strategies for publishing your own books. Have you heard of Twitch.tv before? If so, what has been your experience so far with this video platform? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. While on the topic of building an author platform, I thought you'd want to get the best steps for launching your next publication in the bestseller book launch checklist. If you want to increase the success rate of your next book launch, then download your copy of the bestseller book launch checklist at selfpublishingwithdale.com/checklist. You've heard me mention an author platform in previous videos, but what exactly is it, and how does the live video streaming service Twitch.tv come in? Essentially, an author platform is the ability to sell books or products because of who you are and how far your reach is. In my YouTube video series on marketing and promotion for self-published books, I mentioned how video is the cheapest and most effective way to build your author platform. That leads me to the live streaming video platform Twitch. Launched in 2011, Twitch was a social site devoted to hardcore gamers and video game addicts. In June 2014, Amazon purchased Twitch for an estimated $970 million, which led to specific integrations including Amazon Prime. Over the past couple years, Twitch has evolved to now embrace all walks of video content creation, including gaming, creative content, and IRL, also known as in real life. What does this information mean to you anyway, and how does it bear relevance to building an author platform? For the sake of this video, let's focus on two elements: audience reach and monetization, meaning can you reach your ideal audience and can you make money doing it? And here is an even bigger question to ponder. Isn't YouTube just as good? Let's all agree right now that YouTube is freaking massive. In fact, it's pretty difficult to break ground on YouTube since there are literally millions of videos uploaded every minute. You can reach your audience, but not quite as well as you could through Twitch, and more specifically through their Twitch Creative Community feature. And if you aren't aware, YouTube continues to raise the bar to qualify for the YouTube Partners program. If you're new to video content creation, then getting monetization on YouTube is nearly impossible. However, this isn't the case with Twitch. Gaining monetization is fairly simple and only requires you stay consistent with broadcasts and growing a following. Here are a few reasons why you should consider Twitch Creative for building an author platform. 1. Writer focused. Yep, there are authors pulling in a little extra cheddar through producing their content live in front of avid viewers. These viewers get to have an over-the-shoulder look at the process and at times have say-so on the finished product. Recently, I discovered the channel Blaine Arcade, where the host Blaine produces zany fiction based on viewer interaction and demands. Once he's written content, he then reads it out loud on live broadcasts, all while narrating with character voices that are throwback to Japanese anime and old school cartoons. 2. Bits and cheers. Viewers, followers, and subscribers can contribute to a broadcaster in a couple of ways. One way they can support the channel is through bits, also known as cheers. Bits work like currency on Twitch, but it's not cash redeemable by the viewer. A viewer can get bits by either purchasing a bulk quantity through an Amazon-based link, or they can watch ads and Twitch rewards the viewer with bits. In fact, this is one of the easiest ways to contribute to your favorite Twitch streamer. Recently, my brother Bionic Vapor shared how to get free bits for Twitch cheers in a YouTube video. A Twitch broadcaster accumulates Twitch bits with every stream and are paid out monthly. 3. Subscriptions. Bits are all well and good, but the bigger reward comes via the subscription model. As a Twitch broadcaster who qualifies for one of their 2 monetization programs, you can have viewers subscribe to you. A monthly subscription can run a viewer about $5 to $30 or more, and the base royalty is 50% of every subscription. What's in it for the viewer then? You can offer subscribers exclusive live broadcasts or special incentives that they only get. 4. Sharing. Twitch has all the same perks of social sharing most any platform has, but the one unique element is clipping. If a viewer enjoys a part of your stream and wants to share it with the world, then they can select the clapperboard icon in the bottom right of the window. This social sharing feature is pretty cool and allows your audience to share what they love most about you instead of you just sending random links to people who may or may not care. This won't be the last you hear of Twitch Creative on this channel, since I'm breaking ground on my channel at twitch.tv/selfpublish. On my Twitch channel, you get a behind-the-scenes look into how I write, publish, produce videos, and design merchandise. Be sure to catch me over there for a more intimate experience and hands-on approach to live video skill sharing. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, share it with someone you think would enjoy it too. Till later, this has been Self-Publishing with Dale, and I'll see you soon.